Hello guys and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I will be painting the Ducati SuperSport 2018. Here is the bike and the rest of the parts are in the spray booth. I prepared everything, so you know the drill. Sanding process, cleaning and everything, and I will show you the painting process. Base coat, clear coat, and hope this work will go without problems. It's sunny outside, the weather is beautiful, and finally I can drive the motorcycles. Woohoo! And guys, what's bothering me? I ordered 2 weeks ago, almost 3 weeks ago, one rear firing, and still I didn't receive this firing. But I need to paint the entire motorcycle, and I will do this firing of the camera. I will put the old broken one in the assembly process because I want to finish this motorcycle, you know. I cannot wait it any longer, so I have everything prepared, and now let's go to the spray booth and time to paint this bad boy up. Woohoo! So guys, everything is prepared. Now I will put the mask. Everything is clean here in the chamber. I am also clean. Maybe I am not looking clean, but I am free of dust. I will now turn the exhaust fans and time to paint. Alrighty guys, so the base coat is I think ready for clear. So I was able to blend here, as you can see. Now I will put the clear coat here and everything should be fine. Color matching is not so bad. We will see. Hope we will not see. Okay, so now I will prepare the clear, and I will put 2 coats of clear. Okay guys, time for baking, and now I have to paint the frame. This is a quick fix, guys. This is a quick fix. I forget doing this, so I was using the small brush, and now I will put some clear, and that's it. I will show you this place. You see? So I will do this almost live, guys. You won't believe it, but finally I know how to paint with this Valcom gun. So guys, everything came out very smooth. I am very happy. The fuel tank is looking very nice. Of course, I need to now clean it, sand it, and buff it, and it will be perfect. I am very happy of this job, and the firings also came out very good. On the fender there is a small dust. I don't know why. I had this fender close to the wall, and I think from the wall some kind of dust fall off to this fender. But overall it's not a big deal. I will polish this also using 3000 and nothing more. So this is only a small particles. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and see you all to the next time. Bye! Woohoo!